Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable GM Energy Smart Charging with myChevrolet app step by step clearly. Open the myChevrolet app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the charging tab located at the bottom of the screen. In the charging section, look for the Smart Charging option. Tap on Smart Charging to access the settings. You'll see a description of GM Energy Smart Charging. Read through the information to understand how smart charging benefits your vehicle. To enable the feature, tap on the toggle switch or enable button. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your choice. Confirm by tapping yes or enable to activate smart charging. After activation, you will receive a notification confirming that smart charging is now enabled. Return to the charging section to view any additional settings. Adjust any preferences for charging times or energy rates as needed. Make sure to save any changes you've made to your preferences. Review the status of your smart charging setup in the app. Now you are ready to take advantage of GM Energy Smart Charging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.